Number 15. The Richter X4 Air Mobility Pod represents a bold step toward the future of personal aerial transportation, combining advanced aeronautical engineering with compact urban mobility design. Built to function as a lightweight electric vertical takeoff and landing vehicle, the X4 is designed to move effortlessly through dense city environments. Number 14. The Volonaut Airbike is a striking example of next-generation personal flight technology, designed to deliver an experience that feels closer to riding a futuristic hoverbike than piloting a traditional aircraft. Built with a minimalist open-frame design, the airbike places the rider in a forward-leaning position similar to a high-performance motorcycle, creating a sense of speed, agility, and direct control during flight. The vehicle uses advanced jet propulsion technology instead of exposed propellers, allowing it to maintain a sleek profile while delivering powerful vertical lift and forward thrust. This propulsion system enables vertical takeoff and landing, meaning the craft can operate from compact spaces without the need for runways or launch platforms. Its lightweight structure, built from high-strength composite materials and aerospace-grade components, helps reduce overall mass while maintaining durability and stability during high-speed maneuvering. Number 13. The GAC Govee AirCab represents a forward-thinking approach to urban air mobility, designed to function as a compact, fully electric air taxi capable of transforming how people move within modern cities. Developed with a sleek aerodynamic design and a lightweight composite structure, the AirCab is engineered to deliver efficient performance while maintaining high levels of safety and passenger comfort. Its electric vertical takeoff and landing capability allows the aircraft to lift off and land in confined urban areas such as rooftop pads or dedicated vertiports, eliminating the need for traditional runways. The vehicle relies on a multi-rotor propulsion system powered by advanced electric motors, providing stable lift, smooth maneuverability, and significantly reduced noise compared to conventional helicopters. Inside the cabin, the AirCab is designed with a modern passenger-focused layout that emphasizes comfort, panoramic visibility, and an intuitive digital interface that manages navigation, flight information, and safety systems. Number 12. The Jetson 1 is a groundbreaking personal electric aircraft designed to make individual flight both accessible and exhilarating, blending cutting-edge engineering with a remarkably simple and intuitive flying experience. Built with a lightweight aluminum spaceframe and carbon fiber body components, the Jetson 1 maintains a strong yet extremely light structure that enhances both efficiency and maneuverability in the air. The aircraft features an octocopter configuration with 8 powerful electric motors and propellers, delivering the lift and stability required for smooth vertical takeoff and landing without the need for a runway. This multi-rotor system also provides redundancy, ensuring that the vehicle can remain stable even if one motor encounters an issue. The open cockpit design places the pilot in a central seat surrounded by protective structural arms, giving a panoramic view of the environment and creating an immersive flight experience similar to a futuristic flying chair. Control is handled through a simple joystick interface supported by a sophisticated onboard flight computer that continuously stabilizes the aircraft, allowing even individuals with minimal flight training to operate it with confidence. Number 11. The LEO Flight Jetbike is an innovative personal flying vehicle designed to combine the thrill of motorcycle riding with the freedom of vertical flight, creating a completely new form of individual aerial mobility. Developed with a compact yet powerful design, the Jetbike uses advanced jet propulsion technology that allows it to lift vertically and maneuver smoothly through the air without relying on traditional propellers. Its structure features a strong yet lightweight frame built from high-strength aerospace materials that provide both durability and reduced weight, helping the vehicle maintain efficient flight performance. The rider sits in a forward-leaning position similar to a sport motorcycle, giving the pilot a natural and immersive riding experience while maintaining direct control of movement and direction. The Jetbike integrates a sophisticated flight stabilization system that continuously monitors balance, altitude, and orientation, automatically adjusting thrust to keep the vehicle steady during hover, ascent, and forward motion. This intelligent control system works alongside intuitive handlebar-style controls that make piloting the craft feel familiar to riders accustomed to motorcycles or other personal vehicles. Number 10. The RYSE Recon is a compact electric personal aircraft designed to make flying more accessible while delivering a stable and highly responsive flight experience. Built around a lightweight aluminum frame combined with durable composite materials, the aircraft balances strength and efficiency, allowing it to maintain strong structural integrity while remaining light enough for efficient electric flight. The Recon operates as an electric vertical takeoff and landing vehicle, using multiple high-performance electric motors paired with large propellers that generate powerful lift and precise maneuverability. This multi-rotor configuration allows the aircraft to take off and land vertically in small spaces without the need for a runway, making it suitable for a wide range of environments from open fields to designated urban flight zones. The open cockpit design places the pilot in a central seat with a clear panoramic view, creating an immersive flying experience while maintaining excellent visibility for navigation and awareness of the surroundings. Control is managed through an intuitive joystick system supported by a sophisticated flight control computer that automatically stabilizes the aircraft, helping maintain smooth and balanced flight even for pilots with limited flying experience. Number 9. The Jetpack Gen 3 is an innovative personal flight system that transforms the concept of a jetpack into a more stable and practical aerial mobility device, allowing a single pilot to lift off and maneuver through the air with remarkable control. Designed to be worn like a backpack, the system integrates a compact frame with multiple electric rotors positioned around the pilot to generate powerful vertical lift and balanced thrust. This multi-rotor configuration provides enhanced stability compared to traditional jetpack designs, enabling smoother hovering and more controlled directional movement during flight. The lightweight structure is built using advanced composite materials and aerospace-grade components that reduce overall weight while maintaining durability and structural strength. Once secured into the harness system, the pilot is supported by protective framing that surrounds the body while keeping the design open enough to provide excellent visibility and spatial awareness. The Jetpack Gen 3 relies on high-efficiency electric motors powered by advanced battery technology, producing quiet propulsion and responsive thrust adjustments that allow the pilot to ascend, descend, or move forward with precision. Number 8. The Silverwing Personal Flight S1 is a cutting-edge electric aircraft designed to deliver an accessible and exhilarating personal flight experience, merging advanced aerodynamics with user-friendly control systems. Constructed with a lightweight yet durable carbon fiber and aluminum frame, the S1 achieves an ideal balance of strength and efficiency, allowing for smooth, agile flight while keeping energy consumption low. Its sleek aerodynamic body reduces drag and optimizes stability during forward motion, while the electric vertical takeoff and landing system enables it to lift off and touch down in compact urban or open spaces without the need for traditional runways. The S1 is powered by multiple high-performance electric motors paired with precision-engineered propellers, providing reliable lift, responsive maneuvering, and quiet operation suitable for city environments. The cockpit offers an open yet protective design, placing the pilot in a central seat with a clear panoramic view, immersing them fully in the sensation of flight. Number 7. The Aleph Model A is a sleek and futuristic personal electric aircraft designed to redefine urban and recreational air mobility by combining advanced engineering with intuitive flight control. Built from lightweight composite materials and aerospace-grade aluminum, the Model A offers an optimal balance of strength, durability, and efficiency, allowing for agile maneuvering and smooth vertical lift. Its electric vertical takeoff and landing capability enables it to operate from compact spaces, eliminating the need for traditional runways while making it ideal for urban commuting or quick point-to-point travel. The aircraft features a multi-rotor propulsion system that provides precise control, stable hover, and responsive directional changes, while its streamlined body enhances aerodynamic efficiency for forward flight. The cockpit is designed with the pilot in mind, offering a central seat with panoramic visibility, an open yet protective frame, and an intuitive joystick interface that simplifies navigation and flight management. Advanced onboard stabilization systems continuously monitor altitude, orientation, and environmental conditions, automatically adjusting thrust to ensure safe and balanced flight even for novice pilots. Number 6. The Xpeng Aero HT land aircraft carrier is a revolutionary take on personal aerial mobility, designed to bridge the gap between conventional ground transport and airborne travel by combining the scale of a vehicle carrier with advanced flight capabilities. Built with a robust yet lightweight composite and aluminum structure, the Aero HT land aircraft carrier integrates multiple high-performance electric rotors capable of vertical takeoff and landing, allowing it to lift safely. Number 5. The Cyclotech Cruise Up is an innovative personal electric aircraft that blends the excitement of aerial travel with the practicality of compact urban mobility, offering a smooth and efficient flight experience for short to medium distances. Designed with a lightweight yet durable carbon composite frame, the Cruise Up achieves a perfect balance between structural strength and maneuverability, allowing the aircraft to perform agile vertical takeoffs and landings without the need for runways. Its multi-rotor electric propulsion system delivers stable lift and precise directional control, while advanced flight stabilization technology continuously monitors altitude, orientation, and speed to ensure safe and balanced flight even for pilots with limited experience. The cockpit features a central seating position with panoramic visibility, placing the pilot in an immersive and comfortable environment while intuitive controls, modeled after handlebar or joystick interfaces, allow for natural and responsive operation. Number 4. The Klisarov Acro is a high-performance personal aerial vehicle designed to deliver a thrilling yet precise flying experience, combining advanced engineering with sleek, aerodynamic styling. Constructed from lightweight aerospace-grade composites, the Acro balances durability with agility, allowing it to execute vertical takeoffs and landings while maintaining exceptional maneuverability in the air. Its multi-rotor electric propulsion system provides powerful lift and responsive directional control, enabling smooth hovering, rapid acceleration, and tight turns, all while minimizing noise for urban compatibility. The open yet protective cockpit places the pilot in a central seat with panoramic visibility, creating an immersive flight experience while ensuring situational awareness. Intuitive controls are paired with intelligent flight stabilization systems that continuously adjust for wind, altitude, and movement, allowing even novice pilots to handle the vehicle with confidence. Number 3. The Vertical Aerospace Valo is a state-of-the-art electric vertical takeoff and landing, evtol, aircraft designed to redefine urban and regional air mobility with a focus on efficiency, safety, and comfort. Built with lightweight yet robust composite materials, the VTOL combines structural strength with aerodynamic refinement to optimize energy use and stability during flight. Its multiple electric rotors generate precise lift and thrust, allowing for seamless vertical takeoff and landing in confined spaces, making it ideal for urban environments and rooftop vertiports. The cabin is designed for passenger comfort, featuring spacious seating, panoramic windows for unobstructed views, and an intuitive digital interface that provides flight information and navigation assistance. Advanced flight control systems and autonomous stabilization technology continuously monitor altitude, speed, and environmental conditions, ensuring smooth, balanced, and safe operation even in complex airspace. Powered by high-capacity electric batteries, the VTOL delivers quiet, emission-free propulsion while maintaining sufficient range for short to medium-distance urban commutes or regional travel. Number 2. The Urban Aeronautic Cityhawk is a cutting-edge electric vertical takeoff and landing (evtol) aircraft designed to transform urban air mobility with a focus on safety, efficiency, and versatility. Built with a robust yet lightweight composite and aluminum structure, the Cityhawk combines aerodynamic precision with structural strength, allowing it to perform smooth vertical takeoffs and landings even in tight urban environments. Its duct fan propulsion system provides powerful lift and stable, precise control, minimizing noise while maximizing maneuverability and safety in densely populated areas. The aircraft features a spacious, enclosed cabin designed to prioritize passenger comfort and visibility, with panoramic windows and ergonomic. Number 1. The Airige A868 is a versatile personal electric aircraft engineered to provide a seamless and efficient flying experience for urban and recreational mobility. Constructed from lightweight yet durable aerospace-grade composites, the A868 achieves an optimal balance between strength and agility, allowing it to perform precise vertical takeoffs and landings while maintaining stable and responsive flight. Its multi-rotor electric propulsion system delivers smooth lift and reliable thrust, enabling the aircraft to hover, ascend, and maneuver with remarkable precision even in confined spaces. The open yet protective cockpit places the pilot in a central seat with panoramic visibility, creating an immersive flight experience while maintaining full awareness of the surroundings. Advanced flight control systems and intelligent stabilization technology continuously monitor altitude, speed, and orientation, automatically